Yes, good morning. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss class Cyclostomata. Let us see that what are the characters given here. Yes, Cyclostomata बोले तो क्या है? So, cyclostomates, cyclo means cyclo means round, stoma means opening. So, what it is indicate round opening बोले तो that is nothing but mouth of the organism. So, these organisms they contains the round sucker-like mouth. क्यों round sucker-like mouth बोले तो jaw bones are absent. Due to the absence of jaw bones, mouth was round sucker-like it is. Okay, so let us see that. First point is all living members इधर all आई statements में थोड़ा सा modify करके देने का chances है. Remember this one, all living members of this class Cyclostomata are ectoparasites. These are the parasites on some fishes but not all fishes. Statements में कैसे modify करते बेटा, ये some को लेके आके all में रखते, all को लेके आके some में रखते. हम ज़्यादा इग्नोर किया तो ज़्यादा आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया तो ज़्यादा होशियार नहीं तो एग्जाम में ये करेक्ट ही ऐसा दिखते नहीं है. सो ऑल लिविंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द क्लास Cyclostomata are ectoparasites on some fishes. Okay, this statement is clear, no? Now we can say that what is this parasites. बाद में इधर और एक word दे दिया ectoparasites. So parasites here two categories. Parasite बोले तो मालूम है ना, parasite बोले तो the organism which is feeds on others or depends on others for food and shelter. So parasites based on location, ecto, and another category is endo. Means the parasites which are living on the ecto means outside hai na, living on the surface of the host body, not inside surface, that is called as a ecto. And endo bole to these are, endo means which one? Inside. These are invaded particular system or particular organ or particular system को affect करते. ऐसा बोल के सभी parasites सभी systems को सभी organism पे attack नहीं करते, survive नहीं हो सकते. Best example, human beings को AIDS आते but not dogs. So what is the reason? So they have which one? Host specification. Okay, now here it is endo parasites बोले तो these are enter into the organism and particular system, preferable system में they can survive. That's why they are called as endoparasites. So here cyclostomates are which parasites? They are ectoparasites. इसके लिए हम एक diagram भी ले लिया. ये ब्लैक कलर वाला जो है ना, दिस इज ओनली एक साइक्लोस्टोमेट पेट्रोमेजान मिक्सिन ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऐसा ही होते. सो बॉडी इज एलोंगेटेड, कैरेक्टर्स बाद में देख लेंगे. सो दिस इज वन फिश. On this fish but not on all fishes and some fishes these will be going to attached, body को attach करते with the help of sucker बोले तो मालूम है ना, attaching के लिए use होगा. So ये sucker like mouth के वजह से they are attached to the fishes and acts like a ectoparasites they are. Okay, so now next slide. Then this is the organism. Okay, here what is the point they given? They have an elongated body, snake-like or eel-like body, elongated snake-like or elongated eel fish. Eel also fish, it is electric eels. So those fishes, eels like body will be elongated, not like normal fish like ऐसा नहीं होते, but it is just like a fish like it is, but they are not fishes originally. Bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits, 6 to 15 pairs, ये ज़्यादा important है. 6 to 15 pairs not individual. Pairs of कौन सा? Gills or gill slits? Gill slits are present. What is the use of this gill slits? Gills यानी gill slits, they are helps in which one? Respiration only. So देखो इधर these are gill slits. This is which one? ये पूरा mouth है. माउथ फिर भी हम देख लेंगे, इधर माउथ सक्कर लाइक माउथ, इट इज वेंट्रली जैसा लोकेटेड, इट इज दिस इज आईज एंड दीज आर ओनली गिल स्लिट्स ओपनिंग्स ऐसा होते. ओके, दोज आर 6 to 15 पेयर्स बोले तो बैक साइड आल्सो इट इज, सो दीज आर आल्सो okay, external gill slits here it is. Okay, so body is elongated and contains the 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. They are helps in which one respiration के लिए help करते. Okay, next point. Yes, cyclostomates have sucking circular mouth without jaws. So these are jawless organisms. Jaws are absent, mouth is present. Next one, that mouth is circular, sucker like mouth it is. So either organism, this is the mouth region, and now this is exactly closely देखने तो ये mouth region हो सकते. Now माउथ को वेंट्रली हम देखने तो देन दिस इज द माउथ, टोटली माउथ दिस इज, एंड दिस माउथ विथ नंबर ऑफ teeth, spines like structures, number of structures will be present. With the help of those things only it is attached to some fishes, acts like a ectoparasite. Okay, so mouth के बारे में ये words आप remember करना है, without jaw bones, circular, sucker like it is. And one more point, external characters only. So their body divide बोले तो क्या है, absence. So absence of which one, scales body पे absent है, and paid fins also absent. So scales हम generally fishes में देखते हैं scales को, different variety of scales. हम Astrichthys fishes को and Chondrichthyes fishes में different variety of scales बाद में देख लेंगे. तो इधर वो scales पूरा body पे नहीं है, ये कैटफिश जैसा रहते, स्किन ओनली. सो हियर म्यूकस भी सेक्रेट कर सकते ये स्लाइटली. देन दो स्केल्स आर एब्सेंट है, स्किन विल बी प्रेजेंट, एंड बॉडी पे फिन्स आर प्रेजेंट. फिन्स ये देखो, दिस इज वन फिन and this is another fin and this is another fin. Okay, so these are which one, single बोले तो unpaired fins are present. That is dorsal fin, it is anteriorly होते, and posterior dorsal fin, and next one is caudal fin. Cauda बोले तो tail fin है, ये dorsal and caudal fins only. That is unpaired fins are present. Paired fins we can see that in fishes also. Paired fins are present as a which one, pelvic and pectoral. In some anal fins also present. So this is about mouth and scales and fins के बारे में mention किया. Okay, next. Again cyclostomata में रिमेनिंग कैरेक्टर्स ए स्लाइड में देख लेंगे. cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. So in these organisms cranium is present, and next one is the vertebral column also present, but they are not bony. They are made up of which one, cartilage. Important point. Okay, so cartilaginous vertebral column and cranium is present in this cyclostomates. Next point, circulation is a closed type. Already we discussed that open type and closed type. इसमें blood vessels ज़्यादा developed है, heart, blood, so these are present. So circulation is a closed type of circulation. Next one, cyclostomates are marine but migrate for spawning which one, to fresh water it is. So here cyclostomates are marine, they are living in seas and oceans. That is the meaning of this one, marine. But migrate, they shows the migration. When they shows the migration, during spawning बोले तो at the time of egg laying. At the time of egg laying, these are going to migrate to fresh water को जाते, then they are going to lace the eggs there, copulate and lace the eggs there it is. Okay, ये point important है. Okay, so these organisms generally marine and they are going to migrate to fresh water during which one, एग लेइंग टाइम रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए फ्रेश वाटर को जाते. So that type of reproduction is known as means organisms which are going to migrate from the marine habitat to which one freshwater habitat को जाने. तो this type of migration is known as anadromous migration. Anadromous migration बोले तो organisms from the marine salt water to fresh water they are going to migrate for spawning or maybe other purpose, whatever it may be. Either I to for which one spawning purpose they are going to migrate from marine to fresh water. This is called as anadromous migration. Be careful, इधर थोड़ा सा confuse हो सकते. Then this is about adult organisms are migrate from marine to fresh water. This is called as a anadromous migration. Is clear? Okay. Now another one is which one these organisms will be after spawning egg laying के बाद क्या करते हैं? within few days only they are going to die. Why they are going to die? reason है तो इधर नहीं मेंशन किया. okay, so generally कुछ reason होना है ना, why इतना hundreds thousands of kilometers they are going to migrate, मर जाते, वो भी reproduction होने के बाद babies को भी नहीं देखते, वो मर जाते उसके पहले. they are going to lay the eggs and they are going to dead, both mother and father. so what is the reason why they are going to dead बोले तो अभी मैं बोला क्या है, they are going to migrated thousands of kilometer. इतना distance migrate होना है तो swimming होना है तो continuously they lost their energy, lot of energy loss होते, and they are going to copulate. when they are going to reach the freshwater there they are going to copulate. वो भी reproduction बोले तो वो भी energy consumption process है. so maximum energy will be going to lost by the organism by this migration and copulation. so they are going to dead after few days of which one spawning, egg laying, copulation होने के बाद, so they are going to dead. okay, this is the reason why they are going to dead. okay, then after that their larval form, indirect development है ना, larval form, so eggs will be going to hatched out with the help of sunlight and larval forms will be going to releases. after metamorphosis these larvae undergoes the metamorphosis. after metamorphosis these are going to return to their oceans. here एक process है, क्या है, parents है तो from marine to freshwater anadromous migration, and embryos larval forms, then from freshwater there they are going to lay the eggs, no parents, then they are going to fertilize and उससे larval forms आते, and these larval forms will be in searching of their mother places. बोले तो from freshwater to marine water they are going to migrate, from freshwater to marine water they are going to migrate. this type of migration को बोलते, ये type of migration is known as which one, catadromous migration बोलते, catadromous migration. अभी मैं बोला बी केयरफुल, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो सकते, क्योंकि बोले तो एनाड्रामस कैटाड्रामस ये वर्ड्स हमको नहीं हो सकते. एनाड्रामस बोले तो मैराइन टू फ्रेश वाटर दैट इज एनाड्रामस, and इसका opposite what is that, fresh water to marine water that is catadromous. adults है तो shows they are, adults will be shows the anadromous migration, adults shows the anadromous migration, and embryos larvas or embryos will be going to shows the catadromous migration. anadromous migration बोले तो marine to fresh water, catadromous migration है तो freshwater to marine. okay, so adults from the seas and oceans they are going to reach to this freshwater, then they are going to lay the eggs. वो eggs fertilized होगा, मदर से तो इसके बीच में मर जाएगा. फर्टिलाइजर एग से लार्वल फॉर्म्स इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट, लार्वल फॉर्म्स विल बी अंडरगोस द मेटामॉर्फोसिस. ये मेटामॉर्फोसिस कंडीशन में भी ये लार्वल फॉर्म्स दे आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यूसली swimming and they are going to finally reach to the mother places. बोले तो their parents कहाँ से आ गया वो areas को reach होके then they becomes like young ones, again they will be starts to reproduction. उसके लिए वो भी fresh water को आना ही पड़ता. okay, adults shows the anadromous migration and embryos shows the catadromous migration. okay, so इधर एक point है तो अभी तक scientist को भी समझ में नहीं आया, क्या है बोले तो egg laying के बाद both parents, all parents are going to dead, but larval forms without any information of the parents, without any GPS system, they are going to reach to exactly from where their mothers are going to came to the fresh water. Okay, their mother lands को identify करके उधर जाते then they becomes like young ones, there it is, and they will be physically matured, again they will be also starts to reproduction, वो reproduction के लिए फिर भी इधर आते. So in their life reproduction is like a death event. वो डेथ इवेंट के लिए वो लोग thousands of kilometers will be going to migrate, and they will be reach there, and they are going to copulate, lays the eggs, and they are going to date. Okay, so this is only the history here we have to remember. And examples hai to petromyzan. This petromyzan is known as a lamprey. General names also important, as we know that. Next one is myxin. Myxin is known as a hagfish bolte. Okay, petromyzan, lamprey, myxin, hagfish. Okay, so this is only the points we have to remember from this slides. Either anadromous, catadromous words compulsory remember karna hai. Okay, next examples. So examples here, petromyzan, this is only, and next one myxin, this is only, hagfish and lamprey. Okay, so yes, now time to recall the knowledge. Cyclostomata का questions देख लेंगे. So see the question, first one क्या दे दिया, and choose the correct option. देखो बेटा एक बार. Now I'm going to start this one. After spawning lampreys, cyclostomates, lampreys, after spawning बोले तो after egg laying क्या करते हैं? These are so migrate to back to fresh water. So गलत है. Next one, migrate back to ocean, गलत है. इधर क्वेश्चन में आफ्टर मेंशन किया बेटा. ओके, इसलिए ये दोनों ऑप्शंस गलत हो गया. डाई इन फ्रेश वाटर, यस दिस इज ओनली करेक्ट. आफ्टर स्पॉनिंग दे आर गोइंग टू डेड. नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ वन, डाई इन ओशन वाटर. ओशन वाटर से फ्रेश वाटर को एग लेइंग के पर्पज से आ गया, इधर ही मर जाते. So they are going to lay the eggs, and after that they are going to dead. Why they are going to dead? The reason is they are travels hundreds of kilometers and miles. Then in this journey they are going to lost most of the energy. So they are invest the energy for this death race event. Let us see that next question. See this one. Choose the correct option. पढ़ना है बेटा. मैं ही क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने के पहले आप कंप्लीट करना है. यस, young lampreys after metamorphosis. इधर young lampreys mention किया. young lampreys, their larval forms. After metamorphosis. After metamorphosis क्या करते हैं वो लोग? So these are hatched in the fresh water. उधर से marine water को, their motherlands को जाते. So migrate back to fresh water नहीं, already they are in fresh water. Migrate back to ocean. Okay, motherland. कहाँ से? their parents are came, so they are going to reach there. It is die in fresh water and die in ocean water. गलत है. इधर अभी तक साइंटिस्ट भी कंफर्म नहीं किया हाउ दीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर गोइंग टू माइग्रेट फ्रॉम फ्रेश वाटर टू मैरीन वाटर, फ्रॉम वेयर देयर मदर एंड फादर केम, पेरेंट्स आर केम. सो अभी तक ये सस्पेंस है, लेकिन दीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर गोइंग टू सर्चिंग इन सर्चिंग ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स मदरलैंड. सो पेरेंट्स है तो मर गया, लेकिन पेरेंट्स लैंड मदरलैंड, सो दे आर ट्रेवल्स हंड्रेड्स थाउजेंड्स ऑफ माइल्स एंड किलोमीटर्स. ओके, फाइनली दे रीच देयर. Yes, next question, read this one. Number of gill slits, not gills, gill slits in cyclostomates. cyclostomates में gill slits कितना हो सकते हैं? So 6 to 10 pairs, गलत है. 6 to 15, गलत है. Next one, 6 to 20, गलत है. 6 to 15 pairs, correct है. पेयर्स करेक्ट है. सो आपको डाउट आते हैं इधर 6 to 15 गलत क्यों किया? सो पेयर्स उधर मेंशन नहीं किया, इधर पेयर्स मेंशन किया. पेयर्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सी दिस वन क्वेश्चन. टाइप ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इन cyclostomates. टाइप्स ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इन cyclostomate. विच टाइप इट इज? ओपन टाइप है तो गलत है. इट इज क्लोज टाइप. एंड दीज आर फिशेस लाइक ऑर्गेनिजम्स है ना. फिशेस में सिंगल सर्कुलेशन, इसमें भी सिंगल सर्कुलेशन हो सकते. नाउ फोर्थ ऑप्शन, बोथ 2 and 3 आर करेक्ट. यस, लेट अस सी दैट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. adult cyclostomates shows adult cyclostomates are going to migrate from marine marine habitat to freshwater habitat. Freshwater को आते. Okay, this type of migration is known as anadromous. Anadromous migration बोलते. So here they mentioned catadromous migration. Catadromous migration is गलत option. क्योंकि बोले तो larval forms are migrate from freshwater to marine water. That is called as a catadromous migration. Here it is anadromous migration. This is correct option. Next one, amphidromous migration. Amphidromous migration बोले तो freshwater to amphi means both है ना, freshwater to marine water and marine water to freshwater. This is called as amphidromous. Potamodromous बोले तो this is the large area of freshwater. So organism living here and it will be travels from here to here. It is potamodromous. Freshwater एक जगह से दूसरा जगह को जाते. That is potamodromous. Now correct option is second option. Yes. Thank you so much. We will meet in next session with another topic. Thank you.